Well, since I got a supercar, I think it's time I take this to a supercar dealer. Let's see if they'll treat me any different than, let's say, if I drove my Silverado up here. Maybe they'll let me drive a Lamborghini, maybe in a Ferrari. Let's check it out. I am in supercar heaven. Holy crap. But here's the Z06, the one that sounds like a Ferrari. This is my car. Red on red. So beautiful. Beautiful. A Maserati MC20. One of these days, hopefully before I die, I will have a Lamborghini. I can see why DDE is very overprotective of their SVJ. Look how much that is. $1.3 million. Another beautiful C8. This one's a little bit different. This one is called a Stingray R. Beautiful. And a C8 with a beautiful red with tan interior. I really love that spec. That is pretty. But I like both of them. Actually, I like everything in here. And of course, my daughter is gonna love this. A G-Wagon. There's one thing I can say about a supercar dealership. It's really quiet in here. Quiet.